Hey, welcome back to Shadow Tech Gaming, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to withdraw your in-game CYT back to your Coinary Hub wallet. So back to your Coinary, just click on withdraw and then enter the amount you would like to withdraw from your in-game CYT balance. And in this example, I'm gonna withdraw 100 CYT. And then in this box, you need to enter your Google Authenticator code. Okay, your 2FA code from your Google Authenticator. So open up your Google Authenticator in your phone, and then use the code that's been given by the app. So for me, this is the code. All right, so we got an error message. A lot of you have this error message. Don't worry, this just means that you didn't enter the code in time. So you entered an expired 2FA code. So you just need to go back to the app, get a new code, and then enter it there. Okay, and hit send, and you'll get a successful message. All right, so once it's back to the Coinary Hub wallet, we can now send that back to Metamask. Okay, so next I'm going to show you how to send it to Metamask. So beside the Coinary token over here, you just need to click the button, this button right here. Yeah, that's the withdraw button. Just need to click that, and then in the first box, you just need to enter your Metamask address. So I'm gonna copy my Metamask address. Give me a sec. All right, there you go. So the amount, I'm gonna put 200 in this example video. Okay, and then again, use your 2FA code. So you need to go back again to the Google Authenticator app, use whatever new code that's given on the app, and then enter it there. Make sure it's not expired. Enter a new one, okay? Whatever the code's in there. All right, gonna hit send. Successful. That's it. You just need to use the code that's not expired, and everything should be okay. All right, so that's it for now, fam. Next time again on my video, I'm gonna give you a special message. All right, so you guys take care, have a great day, and see you in the next video.